Olivia. Yeah. We're gonna go to the store. Uh-huh. Yeah. Oh. We won't smile now, would we? Oh, is that a sneeze cough?
You gonna smile, Olivia? Come on. I know Dad's trying to get this. No? Okay, just wait till Dad turns it off, then you can smile, okay? Alright, the deal.